Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create. It's easy, it's nice to see, and it has its own effect. But I'm going to make it more and more simpler for better looking. Okay, let's start. At first we need this slide. I'm going to copy that. I hope all of you know how to create that. That's an easy one. They are just rectangle and shapes. But I'm going to delete these 3D shapes. Why? Because 3D shapes are going to make your presentations to has more ramps, and it's not good. And I'm going to select all the text despite one and delete these options from them so they don't have it. And also I'm going to reset these shapes because the format that you are seeing, it's worthless, and you see it's like affect the glow around them. I don't really like them, so let's have no line. And after that, let's do some more work. So what we are going to do, we are going to send these things back, send this and this to the back. Okay, now how we can make it look better? It's really easy. We just select all three of them without the text, and it's simple. You just need to select the color and bring out the transparency to the pixel you want. And now you see here we are getting the effect that we needed, and you can set the transparency of them to the highest thing and just simply select this tree and give them some shadows. The shadow is going to do the work. Now just simply bring this out one by one. But you see the problem here, it's here when it's want to go out from here, it's not look beautiful. So how we can do that? We can just simply create a shape here, and we are going to color it slight background without no fill, and just bring these things to front. And by that we are going to create a great effect. Let's see, 1, 2, and the first one. Now let's take a look at the slides we created, the upgrade of them. The upgrade sometimes is better to reduce the details. You see, it's look pretty interesting by reducing the results. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Until then, have